What are you saying, people? TWP back with a bang. Here I am to bring you guys another video today. So today was the last trading day of this week. It was the last trading day of August, and I'm extremely proud of all of you guys because we killed it this week. In fact, not only this week, but the last couple of weeks. To be honest, the whole month. I mean, this week, yeah, Tesla, SMCI, Exxon, SPY, AMD, QQQ, Roku, Marvell, just to name a few. But overall, we really did kill it this month. So again, shout out all of you guys who traded with us in the Discord. I see you guys. Thank you guys who put me on. Those of you that threw out plays, threw out charts in the student chart section, I appreciate you. Teamwork makes the dream work, and that's what we did this week. That's what we've been doing the past couple of weeks. We have been smacking the markets via teamwork. So in this video, I'm just going to do a little recap of what we traded, show you some gains, talk about what I expect for September. But of course, tomorrow there's going to be another video out, probably kind of just a casual recap of the month. And then Sunday, the weekly watch lists will be out. So make sure you're tuned in for those. So before we get into today's video and the deep details, drop a thumbs up, show me some support. I do appreciate it. Of course, make sure you comment if you are in the Discord, if you're not in Discord, either way, comment on the video. And if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to this channel. It is completely free. There is a lot of content on this channel. I think over 950 videos worth, like 7 years worth of videos. So go check them out. Just type something in the search bar, figure out what you want to see, and then go watch that. But let's talk about the market today and how we closed out August, because it was a great day once again. So actually, as you can see, while I'm filming this, SPX, this is the 5-minute chart. SPX is actually still running, as in, well, the whole market is still open. It closes in about 13 minutes. But as you can see, SPX is still running. From 3 hours into market open until now, it's just been running. So for those of you who bought 0 DTE contracts on SPX, congratulations. And if you did it with a different stock, like maybe SPY, then another congratulations for you. Because look, same exact thing. Now you wouldn't have got paid as much, but still you would have made crazy gains on the 0 DTEs. Obviously, we've got to look at QQQ as well. QQQ was not as nice a chart, but it still did its thing. From open all the way to around lunchtime, a great, $4, $5, $6 drop. And then we rallied back another $5. To be honest, I know it looks kind of jaggedy, but if you think about it and you zoom out, that's kind of what we want to see. Clear trend here for 3 hours. Clear trend here for 3 hours. It makes it a little bit easier to trade when you're, let's say, day trading in this case. Maybe not swing trading because your contracts are going to be messed up, but day trading definitely. On the 4-hour chart, we're still looking like we're consolidating right in and around the moving averages right here. Daily chart of QQQ. Remember, this represents the Nasdaq. Slightly bullish, just turning bullish. If we can close a little bit higher, maybe above the moving average, then it's a good sign. Now we have to talk about Marvell, ticker symbol MRVL. So with Marvell, we took the $72 calls. Yes, that is a red candle, but don't worry. Look, you can see how it jumped up. So these calls were up over 200% within, I think, seconds. I didn't catch the highs. I think these contracts ran up to around $7 something each, but we bought them for $2.15. Obviously, yesterday they fell to around $1.99 before close, but knowing they had earnings, we saw the opportunity to get a decent amount of returns off these calls. So that's what happened with Marvell. Pretty easy overnight play, and there you go, you triple your money. So Marvell, longer term, I'm looking at it going up to around 93, 94, those levels. But in the meantime, we're now out of these calls. So if you are still in calls, you should not be. I mean, they're still up right now because the stock is still up. But if you look at the daily chart, this is what can happen with earnings, right? Sorry, 5-minute chart today. Zoom up to $79 at open, then tanking, crashing all the way down to 72, and then obviously recovering and then staying steady throughout the rest of the day. But you've got to be aware of that when you do trade these stocks. Some of them can crash and burn just like that. And obviously after great earnings, people are going to take profit. So just be aware of that in the future. Then of course, we want to talk about ExxonMobil. Why? Because it's a stock we love trading in Discord. Oh, right now it's actually booming. I did want to take Exxon calls around a couple hours ago, but obviously missed the opportunity. But again, this is a stock we trade to the upside, to the downside, whichever way. Look at the hourly chart on this. I like this hourly chart because this week, the first 3 days, it just sold off. Then it started to rise again, and now you can see it's just starting to, the moving average is curling up on the hourly chart. Let me pull up the 4-hour chart as well for you. All right, we're still in this little jaggedy pattern, still in this little bit of a jaggedy trend, sorry. Daily chart, similar story. But it's the shorter time frames on this one, that's what's going to make you money. 15 minutes to 5 minutes. Probably the hourly as well. Look at that 5-minute. There might have been an inverse head and shoulders forming here before. Sorry, a head and shoulders forming here before, but not really in the end. But either way, it's getting that pump now towards the end of the day, which is good to see. 9 minutes till close. So of course, when you watch this, the market will already be closed, just so you know, just to highlight that. In fact, I know the Discord's eating right now. Let me see what they're up to. All right, we're talking about PayPal calls, talking about their Inspire calls, cashing out a SPY. Ooh, it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm gonna have to pull that one up on screen for you guys. Yeah, that one's looking good. Right there. Here we go. Look at the Discord right now. Yep. PayPal call for next week. J Money making the money. SPY, yep. Okay, yep. Oscar's in it too. We're eating. We're gonna keep eating. Yep. Showing the love. SPY going crazy. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. I'm not going to bore you with this, but you guys know where it's at. You guys know to come and tap in the Discord. It's the first link in the description below. But this is what I love about the Discord. This is what I love about what we're doing right now. It's very authentic. A lot of love in there. People are showing love. People are helping each other out. But since Shonoff just mentioned PayPal, let's look at PayPal. Consolidating on a 15-minute chart. I am bullish on PayPal, so I'm not bothered about that. Hourly, nothing too much. 4 hours, we start to see things. We're pulling back to moving average once again. This is a delightful chart. I told you guys about PayPal from time ago, from it was 51. You want to see when I told you guys about PayPal last year? From it was 51. There we go. Down here. End of 2023. From it was down here. 51, yeah. That's the average cost. November. Now we're at 72. We're going to push on higher. So yeah, PayPal is looking nice. Showing off, shout out you for that one. Of course, guys, I got to talk about Tesla. Tesla this week. Let's pull up the weekly candle. Yeah, that's a hammer candle. Bearish. Tesla's very bearish this week. Where did we start the week? We started Monday. We were up at 222. Fell down to lows of 202, 201 yesterday, or was Wednesday, and then we started to rally back up again. We gained another $5, $6, $7 each day. And now on the hourly chart, we're looking a bit more bullish. So maybe Tesla recovers next week. Let's watch to see if that can push back up to the 222 level from this week, and then 226 and beyond. But I do want to say, none of this is financial advice as always. What else do you want to look at? Well, we got to go with SMCI. I mean, I talked about this yesterday, but SMCI once again, clearly bearish in the last few days. The weekly candle must be horrible. Yep, there it is. Red weekly candle. It's been bearish last couple months, to be honest. Daily candle is very bearish. SMCI may see below $400 next week. But to be honest, you know, I've made similar videos last few days. I did it again. I just want to shout out all of you guys because this market is not easy. But this month of August showed us that with solidarity, we can make a lot of good moves. We can make some money. We can make each other better and help each other learn. Shout out all of you guys who've been tuning into the study sessions as well in the Discord. Those study sessions are very valuable, important, so make sure you keep coming through those if you are new to the Discord. And of course, as I said, there's plenty of videos on this channel for you to learn. Yes, we made money off SPY, QQQ, Tesla, AMD, Exxon, Marvell, Snow, all of those and a lot more. Roku as well, we traded the Roku puts this week. But still, there are lots of plays to be there. It doesn't matter if you missed the ones from this week, there are many more going into next week and beyond. Now, as I said again, if you're not in the Discord already, the first link in the description, that is the Discord, the Royal Trading Academy. We have been growing, we have been on fire, we've been making a lot of money, we've been helping other people make money. As you can see on the screen when I showed you, it's a great community, people are loving it there. So come tap into the Discord. We do not only call outs, but chart breakdowns, we do study sessions, teach you how to chart, technical analysis, talk about fundamental analysis, that and a whole lot more as well. Obviously, the second link in the description, you guys know what that is. If not, go check it out. Stock Options Starter Pack. It's a group of 10 videos, around 3 hours worth of videos, which is only a one-time fee. And when you have that, you have access to it for life. It also gives you 2 months free access to the Discord. So go check that one out as well. And of course, follow me on all social media where I'm constantly posting as well. At The Wealth Prince. You guys know the deal. But that's it from me. Thank you for a great week, a great month, and also a great day. Make sure you guys are back here next time for another video. I got money making, you got money making. See you guys next time. Peace.